Most men think intimacy starts in the bedroom, but the truth is it begins long before that. And here's what most guys don't understand. There are 7 specific places on a woman's body that, when kissed with intention, can awaken something powerful inside her. Not just physical desire, but deep emotional connection, trust, and a bond she'll never forget. The problem: most men completely ignore these spots. They rush straight to the obvious places and wonder why she's not responding the way they hoped. Today, I'm breaking down all 7 of these hidden zones, including some that might feel a little risky, but when done right, they're absolutely unforgettable. I'm Dr. Laura, your trusted men's health advisor. And make sure you watch closely, because spot number 3 is one of the most emotionally powerful zones on her body.
And when you kiss her there, you're not just touching her skin, you're reaching into her emotional core. If you want to create the kind of connection that makes her crave you long after you're gone, make sure you're subscribed, because we're not holding anything back today. Alright, let's start with the first spot, the base of her neck, right at the nape, just beneath her hairline and above her collarbone. This spot is one of the most emotionally powerful zones on her body. Why? Because it's vulnerable. She can't see what's happening there, which means she has to trust you completely.
A slow, intentional kiss on her neck isn't just about physical touch. It speaks directly to her emotional memory. Neuroscience shows this area is rich with nerve endings tied to the brain's limbic system, the part responsible for emotion and memory. So when you kiss her there, you're not just touching her skin, you're reaching into her emotional core. But here's where many men go wrong. They rush. They treat the neck as a place of dominance when really it's a place of devotion. Imagine this. You brush her hair aside, pause for a moment, and then let your lips rest softly on the back of her neck. That kiss whispers, "I see you. I cherish you. I'm not here to take from you. I'm here to understand you." That kind of kiss lingers far longer than passion. It tells her she's safe. And when a woman feels safe, she opens up in ways that are unforgettable. The second place is just behind her ear. Now, this is one of the most overlooked and underestimated spots on her body, yet it's incredibly powerful. The area behind the ear is directly linked to the brain's pleasure and bonding centers, and when touched gently, it actually triggers the release of oxytocin, the hormone of trust and connection. Think about it. The ear is usually reserved for whispers, secrets, and private laughter. It's intimate space. So, when your lips touch just behind it, you're stepping into a place usually meant for her most private moments. This isn't about being aggressive or loud. In fact, the most powerful emotions are often awakened in silence and subtlety. A soft kiss behind her ear while you murmur something personal can send a wave of warmth through her whole body. You don't need to rush to impress. You know how to linger, how to enjoy the stillness. And that's what makes her crave you. Not just the moment, but the way you made her feel chosen. Not for her appearance, but for who she is when no one's watching. The third spot is even smaller, quieter, but just as meaningful. Her inner wrist. This is not a place of lust. It's a place of reverence. The skin here is delicate, and beneath it lies her pulse, her rhythm, her energy, her unspoken emotional state. When you gently kiss her wrist, you're not just touching her body. You're saying, "I notice you. I value the little things. I respect your timing." Psychology tells us that touch on the wrist activates the part of the brain responsible for empathy and emotional awareness. That means a kiss here creates a moment of deep connection. And here's the beauty. When you take the time to honor this small, overlooked part of her, it shows restraint. It shows you're not rushing or trying to prove yourself. You're present, you're patient, and that makes her feel safe enough to let her guard down. Imagine holding her hand during conversation, pausing, and gently pressing your lips against her wrist. It's not about seduction. It's about reverence, and reverence is rare. Now let's talk about the fourth spot, the hollow of her collarbone. This spot is close to her heart, both literally and symbolically. A slow kiss here can make her feel like you're not just admiring her body, but honoring her essence. This is risky territory because it requires her to already feel safe and connected with you. But when done with tenderness, it awakens a sense of closeness that goes far beyond physical desire. The fifth spot is the inside of her elbow. Most men never think of it, but the skin here is delicate and sensitive. A soft kiss there can send shivers down her spine, precisely because it's so unexpected. It's one of those moments where she realizes you're not following a script. You're genuinely exploring what makes her feel good. Now, the sixth and seventh spots require even deeper trust. Her stomach and her hip bones. These are incredibly intimate places to kiss. They're risky because they require deep vulnerability. Many women feel self-conscious there, but when you kiss these areas with tenderness, you're telling her, I love every part of you, even the parts you don't show the world. These are not places to rush to. They're places to approach only when she already feels seen, safe, and deeply connected to you. But if you do, they create a bond that she'll never forget. Now, if you want to deepen that emotional connection even further, I put together a free guide called 20 Best Sexual Questions to Ask a Woman. These aren't surface-level questions. These are conversation starters that create emotional intimacy, build sexual tension, and help you understand what she genuinely desires without any awkwardness. These questions tap into her fantasies, her past experiences, and what makes her feel truly wanted. You can download it for free in the description below. And let me give you one bonus. It isn't a kiss, but it's just as powerful. The gentle placement of your hand on her lower back. This area carries a lot of emotional weight, stress, responsibility, the burdens she doesn't always show. When you rest your hand there with care, you're silently saying, I've got you. You don't have to carry it all alone. It activates the part of her nervous system that helps her feel calm, protected, and supported. If you've ever slow danced with a woman and felt her lean back into you when your hand rested there, you know exactly what I mean. That's not choreography. It's emotional surrender. So, here's the truth. Intimacy isn't about speed or performance. It's about presence, patience, and the quiet confidence to focus on what most men overlook. The nape of her neck just behind her ear, her inner wrist, the collarbone, the inside of her elbow, her stomach, her hips. These are not just touches. They are messages. Messages that say, I see you. I respect you. I choose you. When you learn to kiss her with reverence instead of hunger, when you give attention to the places most men ignore, you don't just create moments of passion. You create memories that stay with her for a lifetime. If this changed how you think about intimacy, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and tell me which spot you never thought about before. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. Stay strong and remember you deserve the